What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and thank you so much for stopping by. So today I wanted to show y'all the ultimate highly motivational bathroom cleaning routine, y'all. I know that's a lot to say, but we getting down and dirty today. So make sure y'all continue watching if you are interested in this video. So today I'll be cleaning all of my glass with the Sprayway glass cleaner. And if you've watched my cleaning videos before, you know that this is my ride or die glass cleaner. Once I switched to this brand, y'all, I have never been able to look back. I always use this on all my glass, and I love it. If y'all haven't already noticed, you are going to see my toddler a lot throughout this video. She's going to be hopping in and out, moving all around. That's just what she does. And yeah, so you'll probably see her cleaning here or there, or you'll see her dancing or doing something of that nature, but you're going to see her. So the spray that I have sprayed my countertop with is the Method Clementine scent. Y'all, once I purchased this scent, I have fallen in love with it. I've been using this scent primarily all over the house, on all of my countertops, on all of my cabinets. I have been using this scent, y'all. I haven't switched back to my other ones. This is my baby for now. So after I clean off my countertops as well as my cabinets, I'm going to go ahead and clean out my sink with the Clementine scent as well. And then I am going to proceed with putting everything that was previously on my countertop back. So y'all are probably going to see a lot of dancing going on in this bathroom. I told Alexa to play some like Afrobeat type music, so we are just dancing and having a blast in this bathroom. So don't mind us if you see us like having a lot of fun. That is just how we get into cleaning mode. So as always, y'all know I like to clean from top to bottom. So y'all are going to see me dust everything from the top first. I'd like to work sections in my bathroom. So I like to, usually I would go from left, then I jump to the vanity on the right, and then I go to the middle. So I do like to clean off my light fixtures first. I like to dust them, then I move to the mirror, then I move down to the countertops as well as the cabinets. And then I try to get the sink last. So right now I've jumped to the middle portion of my bathroom, so I'm just going to go ahead and dust off my blinds and my windowsill, and then I'm going to take the time to clean out this tub that we have in here. So this tub is super duper wide, y'all see me stretch across this tub here, then eventually I just get in because it's so wide, so I have to stretch completely across. I just gave up and then I ended up getting in, but then you'll see me again stretch across this tub, y'all. I just wanted to make sure that I had it clean because my daughter primarily takes a bath in this tub. She seems to like this one, so I always like to make sure I like clean a lot in here just for her.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do?
Alright, y'all, so now that we are done with the tub, I'm just going to go ahead and clean out my shower. I do have some things in my shower basket that I am currently not using, so I like to go ahead and put those things away and then try to organize as much as I can with the things that I use on a daily basis. After I'm done that, I'm just going to take my Method in the scent Clementine and just clean off my walls and just go ahead and wipe those walls down.
Every single day, you set my world on fire.
done with the walls, I'm going to clean the floor of my shower. This is the most annoying part of my cleaning routine when it comes to this bathroom, because this like insert floor thing I do not like at all. But I am going to scrub it down and try to get it as clean as I can. Usually it comes out very, very clean, but it's just the scrubbing and the scraping, and now my daughter's on my back, and y'all, it's a situation. And now you guys can clearly see why I do not use bleach, because anytime that my daughter is around, she's very, very close to these chemicals. I am now cleaning the bottom part of my shower with Barkeeper's Friend, because it seems to get all of the soap scum and all of the dirt off without me having to use bleach. So this is why I do not use bleach around. So once that shower floor is nice and sparkling white, I'm gonna go ahead and clean my glass with Barkeeper's Friend. We do get a lot of hard water stains on the glass. That's why you see the squeegees in the back of the shower. But I do like to take Barkeeper's Friend and just clean off the residual hard water stains, and it works perfectly to get those stains out. And then once I'm done with the Barkeeper's Friend on the glass, I go in with my spray weight glass cleaner and sparkle that glass right back up. So now it's time to move into my toilet room, where I'm first going to start by wiping down the outer portion of the back of my toilet. So once I'm finished wiping down the back end of my toilet, I'm just going to go ahead and clean my bidet nozzles. My husband wanted to get a bidet attachment to the toilet, so in case one of y'all were wondering what I was just wiping down, that's just what that is. And then I'm going to wipe down the outer portion of my toilet, and then I'm going to go ahead and open the toilet up and start wiping the inside of my toilet down.
I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You said.
So right now there is a little piece that I'm trying to put back on the bidet. This took forever because I had to unhook the whole thing and put it back together. Y'all, that was a whole nother disaster in itself. But it's done, and I'm going to finish wiping out the inside of my toilet. I did put Barkeeper's Friend in there, but I didn't film that portion. But that's what I'm using to wipe out the rim of my toilet, as well as the method. That's what I'm using as well. So right now I'm going to clean off my floorboards. Y'all, behind the door is probably the worst place for dust and everything else to just build up, and if you're not paying attention to it, you'll have a lot of build up behind that door. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just use my magic eraser. Y'all know I love my magic eraser, and wipe that down.
Okay.
Y'all, my daughter loves the camera so much. She just loves being dead center in the middle of everything, especially when it comes to like me trying to do something or trying to film or whatever. She wants to be a part of every single video, every single time. But right now I'm just gonna go in with my broom and sweep my floor, and then once I'm done that, I'm just gonna go ahead and try to get as much as of the dust and all of the dirt up off the floor. Now you're gonna see me picking up some of this stuff with the dustpan. But y'all, do y'all ever feel like whenever you start sweeping up, more stuff appear on the floor? So you're seeing me like start to sweep up in circles trying to get everything off the floor. It's so crazy. Look at my daughter, y'all. She is so silly. But I love every moment. I love moments like this where I can enjoy her, and she has so much personality. I love her so much. She's just so silly. Alright y'all, so now I'm going to Swiffer this bathroom floor, and I'm going to Swiffer probably the same area 100 times, just because like if there's something that I see on the floor I'm not able to get it right away, I keep going back and I'm scrubbing it to make sure that it comes up off of the floor. But y'all, this cleaning routine has been very interesting. It's been very hot in there, and and especially with a toddler, it takes much longer than it would usually take. However, I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I have enjoyed creating this for y'all. And you know what, I just hope that I can see y'all again and you will come back for more and more. Until next time, y'all.